Hello folks, today I'm going to show you how to sync up your Schoology and your eSchools accounts. So the first thing you're going to want to do is log yourself into Schoology, and your screen will look like that when you get in. When you click on courses, go ahead and get to that point, and when you're there, you're going to go ahead and select a course. I'm just going to pick this one at random. And then you're going to go over and select grade setup, which is here. And then you're going to see something at the top labeled categories. Now, categories, if it's blank, you have not done this yet, so there should be nothing in this category yet. So you're going to go ahead and hit add. Choose your category name. You'll see some things that I've already added previously. You're not going to want any of that. What you're going to do is you're going to type in the word formative. You're going to want to make sure you spell it correctly, because if you spell it incorrectly, it's not going to sync correctly with eSchools because it's not going to know what it is. And you want to make sure you set your calculated by percent and then hit create. And then bang, you have formative as a category for grading. You're going to want to do that one more time. You're going to type in summative. And once again, switch it to calculated by percent and then hit create. Once you've done that for your class, you're going to go ahead and scroll down to eSchools Plus. Click that. And you're going to go ahead and click on configuration. And you'll notice here I have formative and summative. Over here in this little drop-down box, you're going to go ahead and make sure you're selecting the correct one. So formative for formative and summative for summative. And then save your configuration on this button down here at the bottom. And when you get this little green thing saying that your configurations have been saved, then that is complete and you are good to go for that course. You're then going to need to repeat that process for each course. I've already done these three, so I'm not going to do those again, but if you go in and you go into another class that you have not done, you'll notice when you click on grade setup that, again, this categories is still blank, and you'll just go ahead and repeat that process. And if you missed it the first time, I'll show you one more time. Formative, percent, create, then add, summative, percent, create, and then down to eSchools Plus, configuration, selecting formative for formative and summative for summative, scrolling all the way to the bottom, clicking Save Configuration, waiting for your little green bar of success, and then you are done for another class. So if we go back and we check one of those classes that we've already done just to make sure that it stayed. So this is one I did previously, and then you click on grade setup. You'll see that those categories are already there. It's being calculated by percent, so this is correct and ready to go. That should be everything that you need to do. So good luck.